Hey guys, welcome back to Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to fix 500 internal server Firefox. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, it is a very simple way to fix. So for the first solution is just simply close out your Firefox onto your computer, and after that just simply open it up again, and this simple way can fix the issue. Or if it doesn't, you can just simply restart your whole computer, and mostly this can fix the issue. Now guys, another option is you could just simply clear some data into your Firefox. So to do that, select the three lines on the top right corner, and then go ahead and go through the settings. And here on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and go to the left side of the screen, go for the privacy and security, and scroll down, and you will find here clear browsing data. And now from here, just make sure to select when and select everything. And from here, I recommend selecting everything over here, because this issue is sometimes having a corrupted data that interfere with your Firefox. So resetting your Firefox is a way to go. So just simply go ahead and select clear over here, and pretty much that should fix the issue. Now another option guys is you could just simply go ahead and try operating any new private window by selecting the three lines to the top right corner, and from here just simply select new private window, and mostly this can fix the issue if you surf a browser over here. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.